Want to separate or combine data in Excel without using formulas? Here's how to do it with flash fill. For example, I have full names in one column. I want first names in one column and last names in another. In the next column, I manually type the first result. For example, John. Press Enter. Now go to the next cell. Click Data. Then Flash Fill. Excel automatically fills the rest. You can do the same. To extract last names, just type the first example, then use Flash Fill again. You can also use Flash Fill to combine data. For example, first name and last name into one column. Type one full result, press Enter, then Flash Fill. No formulas. No functions. Just smart pattern recognition.